Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to get this app from Play Store error on Android phone. If you are coming through this kind of error, don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. The very first method is to restart your phone. For that, you have to press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, now check if the Play Store error is resolved or not. If not, next method is to clear the Google Play Store cache as well as Google Play Services cache. So for that, you have to press and hold Google Play Store, click on App Info. After that, click on Storage and then click on Clear Cache option. After that, go back and now you have to clear the cache of Google Play Services. So for that, you have to go to Settings and after that go to the App section, App Manager, and here you have to search for Google Play Services. Open it, click on Storage, click on Clear Cache, and after that go back and check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to uninstall Google Play Store updates. So for that, you have to go to Settings and after that go to the App section. After that, click on App Manager. After that, here you have to search for Google Play Store. Click on it. Here in the above section, you can see two dot icon. Click on it and then click on Uninstall Updates. So this will uninstall updates of Google Play Store, and after that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to re-add your account. So first you have to delete your Google account and after that you have to re-add it. So for that, you have to go to Settings and after that, here you have to go below, click on Users and Accounts, and here you will find here you will find your Gmail account that is linked to Google. So from here you have to select it and after that click on Delete Account. Add your account and then check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.